Welcome to our exploration of Earth's formation and the pre-life environment. Have you ever wondered how our planet came to be and what conditions allowed life to emerge? Earth's story begins over 4.5 billion years ago, when dust and gas coalesced to form a molten sphere. As it cooled, a dynamic environment emerged, characterized by volcanic activity, a primordial atmosphere, and the presence of water. These elements were crucial in setting the stage for life. The mystery of how simple molecules transformed into complex organisms is a captivating journey that intertwines with Earth's geological history. Join us as we delve into the fascinating connection between the planet's conditions and the origins of life, uncovering the secrets that have shaped our existence today. The formation of Earth is a remarkable tale that begins with cosmic dust and gas swirling in the early solar system. About 4.5 billion years ago, this material began to clump together through a process called accretion, forming larger bodies known as planetesimals. As these planetesimals collided and merged, they created a growing mass that would eventually become Earth. These planetary collisions not only contributed to the planet's size, but also generated immense heat, leading to a molten surface. Earth's unique position in the solar system, nestled within the habitable zone, allowed it to maintain liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life. This combination of cosmic materials, violent impacts, and ideal location set the stage for the emergence of life, making Earth a truly special planet in our universe. Earth's early atmosphere was a dynamic and volatile mix, primarily composed of gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrogen, and traces of methane and ammonia. These gases were released through intense volcanic activity, which played a crucial role in shaping the atmosphere. As volcanoes erupted, they spewed out vast amounts of gas, gradually transforming the primordial air. This early atmosphere was thick and lacked oxygen, creating a harsh environment for potential life forms. However, it also served a vital purpose. It acted as a shield, protecting emerging life from harmful solar radiation. Without this protective layer, the intense ultraviolet rays from the sun could have sterilized the surface, making it nearly impossible for life to thrive. Understanding this early atmosphere helps us appreciate the delicate balance necessary for life to flourish on our planet. The creation of Earth's oceans is a fascinating process that began as the planet cooled. As temperatures dropped, water vapor in the atmosphere began to condense, forming clouds that eventually led to heavy rainfall. This precipitation filled the low-lying areas, creating the first oceans. Additionally, comets and asteroids played a significant role in delivering water to Earth. These icy bodies, rich in water, collided with the planet, adding to its growing reservoirs. The significance of oceans cannot be overstated. They served as a cradle for early life, providing a stable environment rich in nutrients. The warm, shallow waters of these primordial oceans created ideal conditions for the first simple organisms to thrive, setting the stage for the complex ecosystems we see today. Understanding this process highlights the ocean's vital role in the history of life on Earth. The origin of life on Earth hinges on the presence of essential components that paved the way for complex biological systems. Simple organic molecules such as sugars and fatty acids played a crucial role in forming more complex compounds like proteins and lipids. Among these, amino acids and nucleotides stand out as the fundamental building blocks of life. Amino acids combine to create proteins, which perform vital functions in living organisms, while nucleotides form the backbone of DNA and RNA, essential for genetic information. However, the significance of these components was amplified by the environmental conditions present on early Earth. Factors like temperature, pH, and the availability of minerals facilitated the necessary chemical reactions allowing these building blocks to assemble into the first living organisms. Understanding these processes sheds light on how life began in our unique planet. In this video, we explored the fascinating journey of Earth's formation and its profound connection to the emergence of life. From the initial coalescence of cosmic dust and gas to the creation of a protective atmosphere and the formation of oceans, each step played a crucial role in setting the stage for life. Understanding our planet's history not only enriches our appreciation for the complexity of life, but also highlights the delicate balance that sustains it. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of Earth's past, we invite you to join us on this journey. If you enjoyed this exploration, please subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated on more captivating content about Earth's history and the wonders of our universe. Thank you for watching.